Hi, I'm here today to share a story that resonates with courage, resilience, and a cry for justice. In the heart of Zimbabwe, the city of Bulawayo prepares to raise its voice at the upcoming SADC summit. The people of Bulawayo are not just protesting for the sake of protest. They are standing against what they see as the flawed elections of 2023. Despite promises of reform from President Emmerson Mnangagwa, the reality for many in Zimbabwe remains grim. Peaceful dissent is often met with harsh retaliation, and voices calling for change are stifled. The tragic incident where a bus carrying supporters to a rally overturned highlights the perilous conditions that many face. It's not just about the physical dangers, but also about the ongoing struggle for rights and recognition. The SADC Summit, a meeting of Southern African nations, is supposed to be a platform for cooperation and support. Yet, Bulawayo's residents argue that this body has turned a blind eye to their sufferings and the irregularities reported during the elections. They are not asking for the impossible, only that their voices be heard and respected. The courage of Bulawayo's people is a powerful reminder of the importance of standing up for what is right, even when the odds are stacked against you. As they plan to protest, they are not just fighting for their city or country, but they are fighting for the principle that every voice matters, that justice should be accessible to all. This is more than a local issue. It's a global call for accountability, transparency, and human rights. Let's stand in solidarity with the people of Bulawayo as they make their stand at the SADC Summit. Because when one of us fights for justice, it's a fight for all of us. Join me in spreading their story, in supporting their journey towards a more just and fair Zimbabwe. Together, we can help amplify their voices and bring about the change they are so bravely fighting for. Thank you for listening, and let's keep the spirit of advocacy alive.